Before starting this video, I am going to show you that how much time I am taking to draw this diagram. In this video, I will teach you that how you can draw the human brain one by one and using some steps within some minutes. So in this lesson, I will teach you how to draw the human brain by using your own hand, and all the process are given in this video. It's a detailed video, so if you are searching some video to learn, then this is for you. So keep watching this whole process and try to make it and share me on Instagram. So first of all, we will place our hand in the front of our page, and then after we will mark some points. Here I am just drawing some lines and then after point by using some measurement in our finger. So once we will do that, then after we have to just merge the all points one by one and make it up to here. Once we will do this one, then after we have to draw another line from this point, and now we have to stop and draw a line like this. Now we will draw another line inside of it, and let's follow me. Okay, so we have to move forward by drawing some lines in this same inside of this arc, and then after we have to stop here. Then we will start from here and then merge it. Now here something will be different. Okay, so we have to draw the line and merge them. Yeah, this too. Okay, so now it's time to draw another one. So we will draw it from here and it will goes down up to here, and then we will draw another line from this side. Try to avoid merging them because it's curved line, so we have to balance the pencil lining. That's why I'm just saying that you have to balance. Yeah, so now it's time to draw another one. So inside of it we will draw a arc, then after merge them, and then we will draw another one at the opposite side of this arc. Now it's time to draw some lines, and here we will do the same, but we will draw some circles that will be like this, and we have to draw another one. So here same we will do at the both side, and here we are going to draw a tree like a structure. So we will start from here drawing some zigzag line like a tree lips, or you can say it will be the outer circumference of the tree, and then we will merge it, draw a line, and then we will left it here. Once we have completed this one, now it's time to draw another line from this side. So we need this line, that's why I'm doing. And now it's time to complete this another point. We have to draw some circles inside of it like this, and then we will another, and now it's time to draw another line that will be parallel to this one. Once we have completed, now it's time to draw another thing inside of it. So we have to draw a line, then we will make it like this, then draw a straight line and try to make it parallel, but it's tilted to the pointed lines like this. So we have done this. Now it's time to use some alphabet like S, 3. These are the numbers which I am going to use after drawing these branches, trees inside of it, and we will make this human brain. Once we have completed this tree like structure, we have to draw a S structure that will be look like this at this point, and then after we have to draw the 3 numerical at here. Okay, so we have done this line. Now it's time to make 3. Once we have completed, now it's time to draw some lines that will be like zigzag or something uh, inside of it. It's looking a little bit mess, but yeah. Once you have done some practice, you can easily draw it. So here I'm drawing those lines. You have to be uh, careful and just remember this point which I am drawing here. Okay, we have done. Now it's time to another line like W, and then we will draw another one. It will be same like alphabet, and then after here we'll draw like M. Once we have completed, now it's time to draw another lines. Let me show you where. So here we have to do the lines, and then after make it like this. So it's like anything you can just remember. So here we have done these lines. So it's near to complete. In the end of this video, I have something for you that uh, drawing is easier right now, but you are forgetting the names, that how you can easily label the names. So that's why I have given the game on this video, so you can easily play the game and just you can also say or pronounce the name of the diagrams, each part of them. So I will also provide you that one, so you can easily do the labeling, do the practice, and have a good marks in the examination. So here we have done. Now it's time to draw the lines, and then we will complete the branches of this tree at this point here. So let's do that one. First we will draw a line like this, then another, and then we will merge them. Once we have completed, then it's time to merge them by drawing some lines like this. Okay, so it's near to complete. If you are drawing with me, you can also send me on my Instagram, so I can give you some guidance, like if you have any problems, like any mistakes or anything, you can ask me on Instagram. So ID is given in the side of this diagram. Okay, so here we have completed this diagram almost, but something is left here. Let me show you what. In the left hand side we have this angle, but there is a point we have to make a hole. So let me do that one also. Then after we will draw the lines for the labeling. So here I'm removing my hand, so you can easily take a screenshot of this picture, and if you want to draw or print, you can easily take that one. So now it's time to draw the line. So here we have done the lines. Now it's time to play the game. So let me know first one name. So this one is cerebellum, hope you learned. And then after, so this one is cranium, and then after let me know. So this one is midbrain. Next one everyone just say. So this one is pens, and then after we have this medulla. So let me know next one everyone jaldi say. So this one is cerebellum, hope you know this one also. So next one, so this one is spinal cord, and then after we have this one is pituitary gland. Yeah, you're right. And then after we have this hypothalamus. So this is called forebrain. So I'm just also labeling those names so that you can easily understand where we have to label the forebrain. And then after we have to show the hindbrain. So here we will place the name hindbrain. So hope you have understand the way and labeling. Thank you. See you again with the next one. Till then, keep watching.